Starting in downward facing dog, this is a second option for standing series. Inhale, reach your right leg high. And exhale, knee to nose. Shift your shoulders over your wrists, cat your back, tuck your chin towards your chest. Inhale, reach your right leg high. Exhale, bend your right knee, right heel towards your left glute, and roll out your right ankle, both directions. When you're ready, flip your dog. Bend your left knee, rotate your hips up towards the ceiling. Reach your right arm back, lift your chest, lift your hips, squeeze your inner thighs and glutes. Take one more full breath in. Then exhale, return to right leg high. Inhale, and exhale, low lunge. Step your right foot between your hands. Inhale, crescent lunge. Bring your shoulders over your hips. And exhale, airplane pose. Sweep your arms back, shift your weight into your right foot, and when you're ready, launch off, lifting your left heel high. Now, opposite of traditional dancer arabesque, I want you to roll your left hip down. Think about turning your left toes towards the right side of the room. Keep lifting your left heel up. And then from here, draw hands to heart center. Take a breath in. Exhale, toppling tree. Lower your chest down as you lift your left heel high. Holding here for 3. Release your hands to your mat in 2. And 1, standing splits. Walk your hands as close to your standing foot as you can. Bend your standing leg if you would like. Dial your left hip down again, working those internal rotator muscles in your hips rather than opening way up. Dial it down. It's not about the height, it's about the stability. Balance challenge, take your right hand, wrap it around the back of your right calf, and draw your chin and chest and forehead to knee. Breathe here for 3. Keep lifting the left heel high for 2. And 1, forward fold. Step your left foot forward to meet your right. Inhale, high halfway lift. And exhale, forward fold. Inhale, chair pose. Bend your knees, lift your chest and gaze and arms. Exhale, airplane your arms. Shift your weight back into your heels. Shift more weight into your right foot. Inhale, one-legged Tadasana. Lift your left knee in line with your left hip. Flex your left toes. Stack your left heel under your left knee. And then drop your left hip down. Squeeze your inner thighs together to stabilize the posture. Then lift your rib cage away from your hips. Slide your shoulders out of your ears. Take a breath in. Exhale, figure 4, moving into the hip stretch. Bend your standing leg, cross your left ankle over your right thigh, draw hands to heart center. Now with your chest still lifted and proud, start to bend your standing leg to deepen and intensify the stretch. Keep your left foot flexed to protect your left knee joint, keeping the muscles fully engaged. Breathe here for 3. Back to one-legged Tadasana in 2 and 1. Inhale, one-legged Tadasana. Exhale, dancer's pose. Send your left foot back and capture the inner arch of your left foot. You'll notice that my palm is facing out. Draw your knees back together, rotate your right palm forward, drop your right shoulder out of your ear. Take a breath in to lengthen the front of your hips. Exhale, kick and reach. Kick your left foot into your left hand. Reach your right arm out. Keep the chest and gaze lifted, finding the flexion of your spine. Working to move right fingers towards left toes. Breathing here for 3. Mountain pose in 2. And 1. Inhale, mountain pose. And exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, high to low plank. Plant your palms, step, or maybe float back into your low plank. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, reach your left leg high. Exhale, knee to nose. Cat your back. Draw your shoulders over your wrists. Tuck your chin to chest, forehead towards nose. Inhale, reach your left leg high. Exhale, bend your left knee. Open up your left hip, left heel towards right glute. Roll out your left ankle both directions. When you're ready to flip your dog, bend your right knee. Flip your dog. Lift your hips. Let your head drop back any amount. Shift your right shoulder over your right wrist. Squeeze your inner thighs and glutes. Breathing here just for 3. Left leg high in 2 and 1. Inhale, reach your left leg high. Exhale, low lunge. Step your left foot between your hands. Inhale, crescent lunge. Draw your shoulders over your hips. And exhale, airplane pose. Sweep your hands back, palms face down. Shift your weight to your left foot, and then lift and flex your right heel towards the sky above you. Drop your right hip down. Aim your right toes for the left side of the room. Draw hands to heart center. Take a breath in. Exhale, toppling tree like a teeter-totter as your chest goes down. Your right heel goes up for 3. Standing splits in 2. And 1. Standing splits. Fingertips meet your mat. Walk your hands back towards your standing leg. Keep lifting the right heel high using the strength of your right glute. Bend your standing knee any amount. If you're feeling tension behind the knee, put a little bend there. Then take your left hand and wrap it around your left calf. Draw the chin towards your chest, forehead towards knee. Lift your right heel for 3. Forward fold in 2. And 1. Forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, airplane your arms. Sit down into your chair. Firm up your glutes. Shift weight into your left foot. Inhale, one-legged Tadasana. Right leg rises this time. Breathe here. Drop your right hip down. Kick your right toes out so your right heel is under your right knee. Now firm up your standing leg. Pick up on your left kneecap and up out of your left hip joint. Take a breath in. And as you exhale, figure 4. Moving into the hip stretch for the opposite hip, hands to heart center. Bend your standing leg. Push your left foot firmly into your mat. Flex your right toes. And keep sitting down and back. Right knee opens up to feel that deep stretch on the outside of your right hip. Holding here for 3. Back to one-legged Tadasana in 2. And 1. Inhale, one-legged Tadasana. Exhale, dancer's pose, other side. Bring your right foot back. Capture the inner arch of your foot or your ankle. Right palm faces away from your body. Flip your left palm to face the front of the room. Drop your left shoulder down, knees come together to touch. Inhale, lift the frontal hip points up. Exhale, kick and reach. Kick the right foot into your right hand. Reach the left arm out. Steady focus, steady breath. The more you kick and the more you reach, the more you actually stabilize the posture. Holding here and breathing for 3. Mountain pose in 2. And 1. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, high to low plank. Again, if you're going to float back, jump your feet back. Land in your low plank, elbows bent. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog.